you lean back for reverse warrior. Right hand is resting on your leg or wrapping behind the back. Hold for a deep breath in. Exhale out. Bring the left forearm to rest on the thigh if you're modifying as you reach the right arm overhead. Or left hand could come down to the mat if it's not too restricted. Pause and hold. Keep turning your chest open. Pressing through the feet for stability. Inhale. Hold for one more breath in. Good. Exhale out. Then using your core to hold you here, extend the left arm forward. Keep pressing through the front foot to balance you. Holding for 3 breaths. 2 breaths. Final breath here. Inhale. Exhale. Good. Come back up to find warrior 2. Open out the back foot. Bend the knees. 2. Sink into goddess cactus the arms. Adjust your feet if you need them closer or further away. Sink the hips down. Final few breaths.